Hi guys, this is Tomer from Reliable Garage Doors. Today we're replacing another Torque Master. As you can see, spring just failed and the door is very hard to lift up. So what we're going to do, we're going to put a torsion system in. I'm going to put a bar in the middle, springs on the top. We're going to also replace the rollers. Like I always tell you guys, if the rollers are over 5 years old, replace them. It's just like a car tire. So we're going to put a silicone dust cap. All the equipment that we need for the torsion conversion kit is here, waiting for us to install it. So we're just going to take that torsion bar off, put everything on, and we're going to show you how nice and smooth it's going to look like. Hey guys, we are all set. Everything is in place. We have our new silicone dust cap rollers, cable, springs, everything is in place. The door is working fine. Let me show you how it works. Nice and smooth. Thank you guys for watching Reliable Garage Door Services. So our torsion conversion kit is in place. We have 2 new springs. We have our torsion bar and our drums. That's a drum. Our Torque Master is here on the floor. We're gonna toss it. Nobody needs it anymore. What's gonna happen next? We're gonna remove those plastic rollers. They've been here for about 18 years. That's what the customer says, never been replaced. And what happens to those rollers, their bearings that break, it can impair the movement and the operation of the door. It also, I've seen some of them break completely, and then a section can fall or get displaced. So watch out for that. So we're going to replace it with a silicone dust cap, which is going to be much nicer, smoother, and much more quieter. Then we're going to put our cables. Cable's going to run just here in the middle to connect to the drum. We're going to give some tension to the spring and we'll be all good to go. So we're going to do that, and then I'll show you how the door works.
Thank you, Reliable Garage Doors.